What's up, Speak My Mind family? What's up? Today, I almost have a two in a one video. But this video mostly based on Tiga. She trying to insert herself into Spice and Lady Saw. And one all little thing we are going on, song with Spice do. And one bag of something. And the next video right after this, we don't need to stay tuned to it, is to show Tiga how real business people think in a life. And how them think and how them end up progress because of how them think. Like a Miss Lothian and a Donna and whatsoever. Where Miss Lothian and Donna was on a live, you know. Miss Lothian and the host and Donna joined the live. And they were speaking about business and stuff like that. And Miss Lothian I tell you about the whole July 13th where she even going to probably get the contract then, if so to speak, where anything I keep at Amazura, because Amazura kind of change up in a way. It is like an event place where just like how you sit down, I can rent half height, quarter height, whatsoever. You understand? Yes, like an event place where you can, and she will be the person where anytime an event is keeping there, she is the one who's going to do the catering. What a progress. She even go as far and tell you about Delta Airline. But in that same video, I don't use the original clip. I use a clip that Sophie Donkey was dissecting. Yes, because she have a lot of things to say in that video. And she always has try to style Donna. She always has try to say things. So it's like I am trying to show T-girl how she must think and be progressive as a business person and look for a real business person, how them are progress in her life and I make step and changes in her life while she sit down in a people business. I don't know how Spice song like it burn her, but she don't want to come out with it like that. But probably through the song name Me No Business, People Business, Me Leave People, something like that. So it come like it burn she because she in a people business and then she's a fan of Lady Saw. You understand? So you just stay tuned for that and do the do. Alright? The best part of the video, well, no part of the video not the best part because the front part me just try highlight T-girl and how she spoil like her business. You understand? And then we just come in the part with Miss Lothian and Donna, the progression and the progress and the route that them people their business at take. But T-girl could have taken the same route if she just put some, more with the effort then. And leave people business alone and put it in a fair business. So stay tuned for that. Happy Sunday, my people. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. And most of all, happy Father's Day to me. Bless up all the people who reach out to me, hear me and cry out so not give Father no attention. Father not relevant and Father not this. Reach out and tell me happy Father's Day. Bless up on yourself. Alright? But I don't want to just show me come out and talk. I want to give the respect to Father, man. Remember, you know? See him like how you have worthless mama out there. See him worthless father out there, I should say. First, I see him where you have worthless mama out there. You understand? So, you might find more worthless father than worthless mama, yes, but worthless spell the same way. You understand? So, you have to treat father a little better, man. As me say, you have father, we have mother and father. Trust me, out there. And you have father, we, trust me, we cross from Kingston on the water top by foot to go over Port Royal or airport just to meet the means of him kid. You understand? You don't understand what I mean when I say that. It sounds impossible to understand what I say. Yeah. So, only for big up father, man, and stop dealing with the father them so, man. And the people them out there who sell the merchandise, the business people them. You know the car side too. But I understand a business, you know, the white package things when I go sell, me not wrong, you know. Because the buyer show no interest in it. But when we run the risk and package all the things, different things some others there. Because there's a high possibility that it will sell. Anyway, Speak My Mind family, you don't know what to do. You know, like, share, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend to tell a friend, hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads, continue to support both of my channel. Remember, if you have not yet subscribed to Life is a Mission TV, that's my backup channel, and if you are new over here, please go ahead and hit the subscription button now. You know, a different side of me over there, so you know, you get cook vlogs, indoor, outdoor, a little bit of drama. You get, you know, newscasts, entertainment, you know, commentary and all. And the feature for the channel still not yet arrived, but it is to come. My adventure. Somebody reach out in the comment and say, why I go do some river vlog now? I'm telling you, say soon, because that is the feature of the channel. You know, they go do some river vlog and some, you know, right. Anyway, people, I don't know what you looking on. Don't know, say me have a time when I deal with shave, because I don't want the old face drop in a hole, no pothole. When National Works Agency have to come with asphalt and mall to come patch, so I not shave until like every 2 weeks, you know. And the same go for the ear, because when I comb my ear, I shave. Anyway, people, Mr. T-Girl trying to insert herself. She come out, you know, I give Lady Saw advice. Well, Lady Saw seems to coming back into the world, you know, the dancehall world, yes, based on how she's talking, you know. I don't know if anybody who she respect highly can talk her out of it and say, no, hold on to your God. This is the way that God tests us sometime, you know. Sometimes Him give it trial and tribulation to test with faith. You understand, to see how strong we is. So I don't know if somebody who she respect like that, you know, and regard to be somebody who she look up to also, you know, can talk her out of it. But for me to talk somebody out of God's world, what that said about me, for me to encourage somebody and tell somebody then to come out of God's world, or influence the person to come out of God's world, or agreeing with the person to come out of God's world, how that look on me, what that said about me. You understand? And since a few days, you know, this is what T-Girl has been doing. You know, and she have done an interview. Basically, yes, it is evident, it is there. And this video has recently put up. This video is not a video that repost or reshare, because if up to yesterday when I look on this video was posted 1 day ago. So if this video was on YouTube before, I don't know, and them just re-title it and repost it again, whether upon a different channel or what, I don't know. But where this video is, the channel that this video is on presently, it is just on this channel for 1 day now. And she get that interview with Lady Saw back then, early time and stuff. So she figure more or less if she get the opportunity to talk to Lady Saw again, basically she would tell her, yes man, go back to dancehall, because she want to see Lady Saw back in dancehall. Not because Lady Saw, you know, might be having issues with support of the church fraternity, people supporting her music and supporting her, and because she seems to be in some financial difficulties, and we don't know the whole thing where she go through now with this one simple dog bite where me can't see how this happen. You know, that somebody, you know, have to sell land, sell house and whatsoever to compensate the person where get dog bite. And me see worse than that take place in a life. Man a get dirt accidentally. Man a get dirt, man a find guilty. Man a do this arson, this terror warrant, and it is not costing so much. You understand? Judge is not ordering for you to sell your property or whatever you are you have in life then. So we know what she a go through. So she might be thinking of coming back out into the dance hall because she might see a brighter future there. But you, T-girl, shouldn't be the one who are trying to encourage her to do that. Me, she, not supposed to be the one who are encourage her, because it's like you're turning away people from God. And this is the same God that you get up and you pray to, cry to, bawl to, day in, day out. So you're influencing, agreeing with people to turn them back against God or turn away from God. Make it make sense. The same God that you call out pan, shout out pan. You understand? What? Is it because you want to see ladies come back in a dance hall and wind up and go on with your stiff self? When me see you do this whole heap of reel and wind up and stiff like, not even both stiff like you? Eh? Come on. Make me really understand. But then again, you see, how you think in life, how you show so you ungodly. How you think in life and think against other people. Prove that you are ungodly. With all I've said and done, she claims to say ladies are artists. Nothing wrong with that. Spice come out and do a little song recently where the song that Spice has done, it might be saying some things, where people are probably called true word then. People are saying she are throwing word upon Lady Saw. One verse, one line of the song where she come out and she talk about her past happenings of one of her dancer, involved with her baby father, her kids them father, on a tour that they were all on. And she come out, this is T-girl, come out and she are making another, what I call it now, argument of what is happening where Spice is concerned. And just listen to her, she are just trying to insert herself is what is happening now, right? Because she almost just want to say, yes, Spice a true word upon Lady Saw because she is a more person of Lady Saw. But she twist it and she turn it and she twist it. But what amazed me, is what T-girl has said in this whole saga of this song with Spice done. Where the song, I think the song named Karma. And if Spice do a song like that, named Karma, in a time like this where ladies I want to come back into the dance hall, she are going through a little phase and stuff. People are going to say this song, is a true word relating to Lady Saw. But there's other things said in it where, as me say, can look towards her dancer also, which the dancer herself take it up, and come out and go underneath Spice post and tell her say Karma go reach her because she take offense to the line of the song, because she are trying to say that the line of the song goes for she. You understand? That she say, like she say, be careful of your closest friend, because they may end up take your man and something another, or our closest friend end up take her man or something like so. But the whole ordeal of that story, it wouldn't be the friend take the man. The man take the advantage allegedly and go in on the friend. And the friend try to keep it because probably she don't want to mash up the friendship or cause any animosity between the whole vibes of the baby father, Spice, and she. So probably the friend keep it until after a long while it has become public. That is like after Spice and her baby father are separated. She must call her and say to her, say, okay, I have something I want to say to your XYZ, which them say Spice must find out already. One bag of argument. But as me say, I want to play the part here and highlight something what T-girl have said pertaining to this Spice argument. As me say, me now I just a little piece of this me I go play. There's a whole lot more she have said that don't really interest me. I'll Ramish name, call up one bag of thing. But just listen a little part here when I want ask a question. Because I want to know if these people feel like life is all about them. They are the only person on earth. You know, me no know. Because how can you kick over that rubbish pan in front of my doorway? And it seems to be nothing. So you free and have all authority to do so. And it's okay within you to do so. But if me come and me throw an orange juice box at your doorway, remember, an orange juice box, it's a problem. And you see it as a problem. Listen.
And may I try and figure out why bring up back all of these? Everybody died down, everything died down, everybody move on. And it's been years now. Why put it in a song? You know? And then you're gonna say you're mind your business. So you gaslight everybody, but then you say you're mind your business. That just doesn't make no sense to me. It just doesn't
Or
make
something
no
like
sense.
so the song name, Mind My Business, yeah.
So with that said, Danger Shino, come out for Spice, cause Danger have a tune out too now. Yes, man. Danger has a song too. Yes, Danger have a song. Yes, Danger, she's very pretty. And she still can dance to this day. And she also has a song out. Her Instagram page is top.
Anyway, me not gonna further this one. But this part of me a question. She are saying, why Spice, after everything died down with what happened of the past, why Spice come out and do a song with all these things that has happened of the past in her song and a fuel something? I wonder if you know get the drift. I may have to tell you now where me I get that. Did she ask herself when she write her book or wrote her book that things of her past that happened to her, what she put into her book, why she have to do it when she already get past it? Because she want it documented, don't it? If Spice as an entertainer choose, she recently also write a book. But if Spice as an entertainer choose to go into the studio and voice her past on record, I documented that too. So why Tina have a problem? She gonna say this song not sound good and this song not sound this and this. Listen, I can tell you something if you might not understand. Because you say you're in the entertainment fraternity and one bag of sitting. There's a lot of times artists going to the studio just go freestyle. They put nothing much into the songs. Sometimes the songs turn out to be more than what them expect. Them just going into the studio freestyle, it turn out to more than what them expect. And next time, as I said, them just going to the studio as a freestyle because of the occasion. You have artists might have a little feud out the road and was going to, just like what they went and you have a Valiant and somebody else have a little feud that go on. Valiant just goes so freestyle. Not enough substance most of the song then. But then in a 1 minute. And by the time you put out that song then in a 5 minutes, then another entertainer go what have substance in them the song then? 2 minute build up song and whatsoever. It's just the moment and time and them have the privilege to go into the studio, go use the studio time. So them not really do it as no substance song or no billboard song or no chart tapping song. It's just a voice, them opinion, voice what they want to say. So in this song, yeah, based on what you are trying to say, which it can be possible, yeah, she just a come out, a throw her little word because I want to go on now with lady song whatsoever. Which I know must so, but we're not idiot. And she can just come out and just go in the studio, go freestyle with a little thing behind it, a granny thing there behind it, so she should do the video and you see the little reels and clippings them. She not look upon it as no song of substance. So when you go say this song weak and the song not good and your friend them in your comment section and whatever, come on. But me still a say, me not understand, you know, in a life, you could have write your book of your past. No one has a problem about it. But you have a problem. What them two of you, man? You have a problem with Spice coming out singing her song. Is it that because you are a strong supporter of Lady Saw, you're having a problem, but you don't want it look that obvious? Well, it will always look obvious to sensible people. It will always look obvious to sensible people. Alright? Anyway, people, make we move along. We just go and do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. We just go calm in the Sunday evening, yeah? You understand? Calm. Like when see calm. It's Father's Day. Alright? Yeah. So people, this part of the video is a video that a part of the video where a live was done with Miss Lothian and Donna. I think Miss Lothian was the host. Yes, Miss Lothian was the host, because normally when you have a live and somebody join it, the first person on the top is always the host. So Miss Lothian seems to be the host. Donna was the guest on the live. So they were both on the live. Donna joined the live. And Miss Lothian has talked a lot of positive things, you know. She and Donna did their reason and thing and stuff like that. And for that positive part, Tina, I want you to take note. This is what if you spend time. These are the things if you spend time and listen, T-girl. And stop listening foolishness, stop listening crap, stop trying to get into people's personal affair, people's personal business. When you say you're a business person and your business get no attention. People, I want to listen when Miss Lothian say about this whole July 13 meet and greet, what it has done for her. Listen, I'm not going to listen to me now, tell you no. And further on, when she was approached, must be by Delta Airline. I'm not listen again. She were approached by Delta Airline. I'm not going to listen and hear what happened. You understand? So, T-girl, these are the things that we want you to pay attention to. The progress of these people who are having a wonderful time where their business is concerned. You know? Put your pride aside and try to grasp some of them ideas. You know? And see if you can incorporate it in your business and make your business progress. If even 10, 20 years down the line, you can come and say, boy, me not lie. When your conscience set you free, boy, Miss Lothian, boy, Donna, me not lie, although me did use to, boy, business never go on good, but when me start take a change for the better and me start try certain little things with them I do, me not lie, see it ya, I put more me there now, so probably if me do this 5 years before me start do it, would have far better off now, yes. And if you want to keep it in yourself, so be the case. But at least you know you have progress and you move from the full stage where you did there. Like this now you try to insert yourself in a Spice and Lady Saw business. But in this same video, when me go play people, I want to listen to Sophie donkey, and this is why I don't want no one to come out and come sorry for her. Because this woman today she come out and she throw water upon fire, and tomorrow morning she come out, she throw fuel upon it. You understand? Just like how she come out one day, she burn out Tina. Oh, Tina not support nobody. But yet still, she come since week, I big up Tina and I support Tina and I promote Tina business. And as she say once say Tina nah do nothing for nobody, nah promote nobody. Everybody come out promote she, but she nah promote nobody. No care you pick up for her, she nah pick up for you. But you come out this week. So in this video, there is good about it and there is bad about it. Cause she called Donna some name. As you don't know, she always a call Donna girl. She always a call Donna this. She go as far as call Donna Eve corned beef. You understand what I mean? So, uno listen. We could start it right here. So, this is part of the good part when we want T-girl to listen and try to take a page out of them people in your book.
You're
time windy. So listen, breeze a blow. Breeze a blow.
No, I'm in talks with the owner of Amasura. When anytime them have an event there, my restaurant's gonna be the restaurant for catering.
Tina, them things that you have to look on.
You understand? So there's always a
This is the route you ever take to make your business progress. Pay negativity. When you know over here, so out there, so over there, so you go everywhere with negativity there. Me make sure pause it, cause bike and car did that pass and breeze a blow. Someone want to hear Delta Airline.
When we talk about all of the executives, them, the pilot, the one that clean out the plane, the air hostess, everybody was there eating chef Lothian. If me to come on social media and make a fool of myself, yeah. If me did not come on social media, come and make a fool of myself and put down people that degrade and respect the people because you have to first respect your hustle. You understand? If me never respect my hustle and I come on
Tina, you listen positiveness and where positiveness can take you. And you can't sell food and attack and oh sorry people. Me see one new one who wants to 13, me see put it up. Where the girl a chat. And this time she couldn't hide it. I don't like the last time when she had do it and she tried catch it, and when she realized she had tried catch it, spit will come out her mouth and put back her hand. This time it was so plain that she herself know all who are watch the live see it. Me no know girl mouth can fire water gun so. A water gun you have? How your mouth can fire water so? You if be one of the person when can you bake people product always into a mass. Not because of corona, but you feel always into a mass. Because at some point in time you are going to chat because you love chat. Not to mention if you have on your live, you go and chat. So you feel always have on a mass, Tina. Your mouth fire water like a bus pipe. You understand? And when you go sorry people, sorry. Because you know people see it. So you have to always wear a mask, Tina. I'm sorry if you are people that buy them the cupcake and cake they from you. Because me I tell you, the amount of your saliva and no good saliva you have neither. I don't like your saliva fresh. You want to raw like down a fish ground. And you know why it's raw. Round here, so that's something round here, so. Look at you now. Look at you now. But where are they now? Look at you now, Miss Lothian. And where are they now? All I would just say what them say and criticize and talk all kind of things. Where are they now? But look at you now. Just look at you now. Just look at you now. Where are they now? Nowhere in the line. So them still have a long way to go because them name I call to join the line yet.
So I can't react
Listen, Sophie, will come rush Donna now. Like she a pit bull. Listen. Listen, Sophia donkey, I rush Donna like pit bull.
Donna, shut up. You're too bad mind. This Lothian have a better heart than you.
Donna,
You know what
mother
if you see
talk to
nobody
her.
rise? It's who is among you. So shut up, Donna. He's one of the most bad mind person I ever see. This Lothian is a very nice person. But when it come on to you about your black people for the truth. And that's the honest. You black people for the truth, Blanca boss. You're evil. Sometimes you are very, very evil. You don't support a lot of people. So shut up. I make me slow and talk.
So, hold on. Donna don't support a lot of people. Me not understand you. Donna black people for no reason when them talk the truth. You ever go tell Marcia that? We are black our own supporters, we just a set things in favor of her. You ever tell Marcia that? No. But on the other, you says Donna no support people. And Donna this and Donna that. I think Donna is the first and only when me ever see, not because me never get no share, she tell her, you know why she not share me and certain other people. But Donna are the first person me ever see, especially, all right, put me outside. I could talk about business. Name me which other business place where bake products, sell car, or do anything at all, where you used to get up and promote other people who do the same thing as them. You name me. Donna the first me ever see do this. She a bake pudding, she a bake cake, and at the same time she a promote how much people will bake cake and put up on her platform, and I send people go buy from them in at the same time where she a bake, whether a Christmas, Easter or whatever. You name me which one of them big bakery I ever hear I do it. Or name me which other individual as a small business person where in other world you see I do that. Not even the same people them where you see she share. Very few of them share her back. Very few of them share her back. So what you say? What you say, Sophia Donkey? Hey, if you not lick for your head, something wrong, you know. I want never be damaged when you do a cat burn pen. Me no hear of it still, but me I wonder. Cause you must lick your head.
All who work around you. You give people contract, you alone take everything. You alone grab everything. You soon choke. And that's the honest truth.
So, if Miss Birdie call Donna and want Donna to do a contract, I fear a problem why them not call Natalie, why them not call Paula, and Donna them want. You understand? If Duns call Donna for give Donna a contract, and Donna them want, and not Paula them want, and not Fresh them want. So, what you try to say she take everything. She were offered the contract. And she accept the contract. So what she did for you? Call you, Sophia, and say, come Sophia, me don't want no more contract. You take this. Duns don't want you. Miss Birdie don't want you. So she can't say, Miss Birdie take she and not take me. So me don't understand what you try to say she take all the contracts. So she refuse them. Oh, and for them at the same poverty line and stagnant line like Uno. She must take them to elevate herself because you know the one she in the same stagnant line like Uno. Okay.
Good morning.
She coming up, you soon hear her. Start criticize and call Donna all kind of name. Wanna listen up.
Planka boss, you attack people as well. When I tell that Jojo teachers if you stop as well. You're too double standard. You're too double standard. You
What should we tell the teacher to stop for? Did the teacher trouble you? Me no know, me I ask you. Are you go around and trouble everybody and find problem with everybody and fault with everybody? Because you're still searching for that it. You understand? You're coming like an artist who sit down a studio for 40, 30 years searching for that it. Till him turn studio boy. So you're going to end up on social media, girl. Yes, man. You're going to end up on social media, girl. Because basically, you just a search for that it and you're not going to find that it there. Because how you go about finding that it, you're not going to find it. Finding that it is not going about searching and digging up things and pretending like, oh, you know, you're doing something good then. Put it that way. And you go for head teacher K, you go for Donna, you go for Miss. Well, me don't know you find favor in Miss Lothian for what, me don't know. How will you look for Miss Lothian if you feel like Miss Lothian will come give you a hype? But you find favor in Miss Lothian. But you dig up your son and you go for this person, you go for Chris, you go for that, you go for everybody, not to mention if them a say planka. And you feel like that way there, you're gonna find their ear it. You will not even be a one hit wonder. You know, like how you have some artists who are one hit wonder, then just do one hit song and you can't find nothing more. Not even that you're gonna end up getting a social media. Because you start on the wrong part. You start on the wrong part. So you will never even get that one hit wonder.
always telling people, oh, this, you say it's this woman here, double standard. Very double standard.
But the thing is, if somebody maga, then say them maga. If them fat, then say them fat. So if the person maga and it's not to your liking, so be the case. If the person fat and it's not to your liking, so be the case. What relation you and that person have for you make it affect you? The person maga, you don't like the person, I just say go, you leave the person alone. The person fat, you don't like the person, you leave it alone. You and the person have no relationship. If you say, boy, it affect you, so you have to make them know, say, boy, what say, you're too maga, boy, you're too fat. Me, you're not in a relationship, man, so you're not supposed to be so, oh, me want look, if me face one favor a frog, one big like a balloon, one big like one trailer head, you don't have no problem with that, man. No make that affect you. Just keep that to yourself, say you don't like how me look, but you don't need to come public, come talk. Because you can't change the price of flour if me want to stay fat. You can't change the price of rice if me want to stay mager. More than you gotta just come out and make yourself be an ass. Because you gotta just come out now, show your shades and your talk, and then real people and sensible people, you only gotta expose yourself to them to show who you is and who you can be. And then when people come from over this and throw two stones over the wall and it catch you in your head, you ball out. when you make trouble. And probably when you make the trouble in all 2 weeks ago down the road, you know. But you never remember say you make the trouble, or you remember, you know, but you never expect say 2 stone I go throw at you one time. Because guess what happened? You see, true, it never throw the same time, and probably that you did look for, because you did look for the height there, and you did look for the back and forth there, and it never go on same time. Yes, man. So you were surprised when the 2 stone throw over the wall and drop in your head, because you never expect it them time there. When you did look for it now come, so it go. And all the way heat will rise when it hot, because we can't never. No, we wait till it cool, and we just put in our mouth. Yes. I saw someone will eat rice. And everybody eat rice cold. Eat rice hot. Yeah, man. Be who you is, man.
Blanca, you run competition. You're running competition. And you don't happy in your skin because you're too big and fat. You're too big and bubble. You need to lose weight. You need to lose weight, Blanca, but stop it. You're hypocritical. When Donna go come out, Donna go now look for the one and say, let's hope it will live for the phone 24/7. Miss that time. I do want me on the phone, I don't like me gonna find something. Shut up. You're always upon phone. What a liar, girl. Every time you go past
and you always up on your phone to watch her, though.
Listen, is your mouth big and favor them big pepper? Me say, Miss Lothian, continue be you, Miss Lothian. Continue be you. He's a good person.
How you look for Miss Lothian? Eh? Where you really look for Miss Lothian? You feel like Miss Lothian gonna find favor in you? They make a sad mistake. Because let me tell you this and learn this. No cure good me is. No cure good a peacemaker me is. Not because you see me as a good person and me as a peacemaker. If me see you as a certain type of person, I might not come and toe to toe with you, or I might try to quash things with you and somebody else or what, and be a peacemaker. But that no mean me I gonna let you in my circle. Because me already see who you is. Know what you will do, what you can do, and what you're possible to do. So me not gonna let you in my circle. So now what I feel like say, Miss Lothian, I gonna let you in a circle, yes sir. So all the nice, good things that we have say Miss Lothian, we took towards Miss Lothian. We know that can change in a split seconds. Knowing the person you is. Because probably you're still traumatized of all the things you have been through in Jamaica. Kingston 11, Cockburn Pen to be exact. Morrison Avenue, Richard Hill Road, Simon Taylor Road. You name them. You understand? You're still traumatized probably with all the way you go through with the black scandal back. And as me say, you still don't come tell the people them. You don't want me to tell them. Who is the first person get you pregnant? You don't want me to tell them. Remember me tell you, I know a whole heap, when I'm not talking. There's a whole heap when I'm not talking, man. You understand what I say to you? Come tell the people them your business and leave people business. Let the people them know who is the first person get you pregnant. And if you continue, I will tell them someday. And not far from now. You understand? See him like come out, come talk about the scandal back. Mommy! Don't leave me here, Mommy! Mommy! Why you leaving me here, Mommy? Mommy! And you can't pass Dovecat, Maypen or Calvary? Or Medarest? Yes. I see him where we come out and come tell the people them who are the first person get you pregnant. Alright. Here again.
The phone consume you. You can never put on a phone.
And you know every time she dep on the phone. So it's just the same thing. Your phone consuming too. I may feel like you're more consuming on phone than Donna. And when you come on phone, you have no interest. Because nothing what you do, smoothie, exercise, nothing what you do now take a hit. Not even the hit what you want on social media you not get. So when you talk about phone consuming, you can't tell nobody that, leave that to somebody else. Because the amount of life you do at daytime, when non-progressive, not have no substance, 9 out of 10 times you do a life. It's criticize, you criticize what somebody doing. And you know it best, and you can do it best. But where are you to the person who you are criticize? This is what I can't understand, you know. Uno criticize people who is doing far better than Uno, but it still. We not see where Uno are reach with phone know it all. You know it all now put you nowhere, and the person when know it none at all are reach somewhere. Then which one of them you go work with? Now must the person when know it nothing at all and I reach somewhere, because obviously something wrong with your know it all. Obviously something wrong with your know it all, because your know it all now put you nowhere. You have so much knowing, as me say, about exercise and health awareness and physicalness. And this is a cry in the world where certain sickness is concerned. You understand? Hypertension, diabetes, sugar, you name it. And you live in a big foreign. And you can't have a small, if I even a small establishment like these business people, Miss Lothian, Donna, who have a small business establishment, till them things get bigger and bigger and bigger every day. You can't have none, and you know it all so much. And watching these people and criticizing these people. Come on, man. So you really want me to sit down and listen to you and try to take a page out of your book, unless I back where I want to go in a life. And in order for me to do that, my age I feel go back way with me too. But not at this time and age when me there in a life. Me I go want to take a page out of your book and go back way while my age I go forward. Because what? Life I go done for me. And me not see nothing out of it. So the only way I take a page out of your book, unless me age did I go back way with me, while me I go back way with you. So when me catch up on myself, me can start from somewhere else, new, with the same age when me reach back with. So it not come in like nothing.
We say she lie. We say the phone consume this liar mania. Miss Lothian, you is a very good person. You is a very good person. You don't want to be with that. She's an evil person. She is. But find out to clear your brain. And a lot of people living at the phone and that not you do it. Number one, we have attention issue. What do you call it? Attention span. You know what I'm saying? That a lie. That a lie. Engagement, please don't understand what. We just white through a big guy. That are you lie, man. But the phone will consume you. Lie, man. She's the biggest liar. And that's what I keep glad for too. But God put me in a position where I navigate myself. Because I remember me stay home and at work and me stay up in the phone in the pandemic and everything else and what. No, I don't get to see certain things. So my brain get to breathe and I can think about how to do other things other than that. So my brain do foolishness. Blanca lie. Why this woman lie so? Jesus Christ.
Hey, me I wonder. You ever touch a woman? Sophie donkey, you ever touch a woman? It seems like you ever touch a woman. Trust me. You ever touch a woman? Your behavior, I give me that sense of feelings that say you ever touch a woman. Trust me.
You know why I like Miss Lothian? She have a style. Donna, people tell her this. She lie and wicked. You same face for them big buck.
It's so be the case of the whole on style. People telling you things. One time you hear your friend, Marcia come out and say people tell her things. She never see for herself yet. Never see for herself yet. And we know it's all lie. You understand what I say to you? So why you make this be a problem to you? Where is the substance of you dissecting this video? Where is your substance? Me not understand. Cause you pass slow, you know. Because you come out now and you dissect a video. And me not see the substance in you dissecting the video. It's almost the same thing that you say every day. You're saying in the same video. In the video. And at the same time, to me, you're more a promote Donna and Miss Lothian, yes, sir. Because 3/4 of the video you played, I could have played the original clip in a people, but I chose not to. Because Chuma want to dissect where she says she a dissect, yes, sir. Because at one point the purpose was to close off the first part of the video in showing T-Girl how she can be progressive if she think clean. You understand? And move towards progression. She can be progressive in business, just like Miss Lothian and Donna. You understand? And I said, no, like I'm gonna book up this. I want to dissect she also. And I want to show she being the same person she is that she said about the third time now she come around and said she changed. And out of the third time, about 2 times, she go on like, oh, I want to be planker. Yes, I am saying planker now. I'm saying, planker boss, you not do me nothing. And all of what me do, or what them tell me to do, or them make me do it. Wait. Who tell you to do it now? You and Lorraine and a friend now. You burn out Tina over there. Yes, it's a Marcia week, she can't help you. So who tell you to do things now? Eh?
Always speak justice and she talking. But this girl here, no man, I have to come back later for you. Very, very light. She's very light. Watch her. She not reach far, you know, she light.
Hey! Wow, she not reach far. She the far on you. That's the good thing about it.
Miss Lothian, me not tell no lie. You're very nice. Miss Lothian, you're the
You look
star.
somebody. Miss Lothian now want you.
Blanca Bass cannot be like you. Blanca Bass is just
If Miss Lothian did even go that way the way you look
Miss
like you go.
Lothian,
She no want you.
shining.
Because you're not an ambition.
Continue shining, Miss Lothian. And I met this girl here. She's evil. And she bad mind. Miss Lothian, I think you are genuine. And you just taught the truth. You understand? But you know what? Bad mind and double standard. Blanca Bass, you are.
Miss Lothian, she look somebody. Tell her if you did even do woman, she not your type.
Because she look uncomfortable. Come up with Miss Lothian shining. Miss Lothian shining.
Anyway, speak my mind family. We don't know what to do, you know. Just like, share, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend to tell a friend, hit the thumbs up when you like the video. Please to watch the ads, come to another end of another video. Remember Tamika Douglas, Life with Gabby and Chevy, their YouTube channel is also in my comment section pin. Go ahead and give them a subscription. And as you know, my backup channel is Life is a Mission TV. If you have not yet subscribed to my backup channel and you want to see a different part of me, you know, over there, so cook vlog, indoor, outdoor, drama. I also have a drama video to drop today. So go over there, bar talk. The man is swear for him night and day. Yes, drama tonight with him. So look out. I don't know if I'm gonna release first or I'm gonna release this first, but when you see this video, just run over, drama bar talk, the man dead. Something dead. Don't you so? Don't you so? Gone. And me ask him if he go use up your so. And him say no, he might use this. So me say the woman say your fingernail not good. Him said this. Me say alright, the woman I go left. Alright, check it and go on. You go over there, go check it out. Life is a Mission TV. Check out over there. Alright? Bless upon yourself. Thanks for watching. This video was just all about, you know, the time that T-Girl wasting other people's business. And I incorporate this video with a progressive video. It's only that I tried not to use the original clippings of that video, just to show how, you know, people can pretend to be like they change or they want a change and they don't want any, which is Sophie donkey. This is somebody who come out body shame, talk all kind of things about 99. When she fall out with her set of people them, she come out and she bawl about her them, tell her for this and them, make she do this and that, Ray, and she sorry and she this. One magazine, she even recently come out again and said, Ray. But look at her now. Listen to her now. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bless upon yourself again to their Father's Day. Well, Chum is a man. I'm not fussy about nothing, people. Birthday, Father's Day, Christmas, Easter, I'm not fussy about nothing. I'm just an easygoing person. If I get up in the mood and say, alright, I want to go somewhere, so. But I don't plan for do nothing. I don't plan for things. I just do it on the day. The only mango people. The only thing I plan for, unless I have something to go do business wise, or I decide to, okay, today I'm going to get up and chop up my yard. I plan it from the day before, because I can't just get up and do that on the day. I have to plan it from the day before, so I condition my mind. You understand? Those are the only things I plan for. Like home thing, if I plan to I go paint or I go clean my place, yeah, I plan that from the day before, say yes, I go do it tomorrow. So I get in my mind and have the mindset there. But like holiday business and people are planning to go funeral and people are planning to birthday, I know my style that. I just easy going on the day. If I feel like move, I move. You understand? Anyway, I just made that. So Father's Day, I might just there see me up on the corner, itch up and not do nothing. I just made that. But bless upon yourself and thanks for watching. Thank you for the support and the continuous support. You know, as I say, we don't want fans, we want supporters. So anything come on the channel, sometimes when everything are up to date and every time things are go 100 or as you know would have expect it or want it. Because sometimes you might in all that downtime, you know, as a platform more line, but you know, you still find the time because as me try to be professional in anything me do. You understand? All me know me have the control. Me make it look like say boy, me have to answer to somebody. You understand? So me stay. So me know not look out for your video. Me try to go no a video. Sometimes me not in the mood. Sometimes the video just. Sometimes. You understand? Yeah. But that's why I want support. I say when me drop a video and it goes, you still support it, watch it, watch the ads and give me the like, same way. I will move on because tomorrow video could have better. Alright? Big up on yourself. I'm out.